All right, guys, so I pulled out 3 frames, mostly honey. This is honey with a little bit of space to lay. And this is brood. So remember, I didn't put a queen excluder here. If this would have had a queen excluder, you know, I could have trapped the queen up here. Didn't do that. But there's brood here that I can use. I want a little bit better sheet of brood than that. Try to find. I mean, that might be all I can get. There we go. That's better. All right, I'll be all right with that. And there's brood over there. Make sure the queen is not looking around. All right. I'll take this one here right next to it. A little bit of brood over there too. You know what? I think this one right here looks better. Yeah, it's a little bit better. Make sure my queen is not on there. All right. I'm gonna stick the queen between those 2 frames. And grab one. I'll go ahead and take this little thing up right here. Let them start messing around. I'm gonna take a few of those. So I'll pull out 3, 4. All right, I know this one had brood, so I'm gonna slide it over. I'm sure there's brood further down right below.